8th standard, playing with numbers. Numbers in general form. 52. 52 can be written as 50 plus 2. This also can be written as 5 into 10 plus 2, that is 52. Let us take another example, 37. 37 can be written as 30 plus 2, which can be written as 3 into 10 is equal to 30 plus 7, 37. Next, let us take the third example as AB. Let A be the digit in the tens place and B be the digit in the ones place. So, what happens here? Here, this can be written as A into 10 plus B. So, here you can understand, you can simplify and write it as 10A plus B. This can be written as this one. Let me take, if we reverse the digits here, the fourth example, let us reverse it. BA. So, what happens here? B into 10 plus A. So, A is in the ones place and B is in the tens place. So, it can be written as 10B plus A. Likewise, we can write several examples. 351 be the example which I have taken from the textbook. So, how can we write it? Means 3 into 100 plus 5 into 10 plus 1. This is the form. This form, writing the numbers in this form is called as the general form of a number. Let me take another example. Sixth one, 497. This can also be written as 4 into 100, 400 plus 9 into 10, 90 plus 7. So, this writing the numbers in this way is called as the general form of the number. Here, let me take ABC. Here, where A is in the ones place, B is in the tens place, and A is in the hundreds place. So, how to write it means A into 100 plus B into 10 plus C, which can be written as 100A plus 10B plus C. Altogether, it is ABC. Likewise, in the reverse order, if we change the digits means, what happens here? Let me take the next example, that is BCA. So, what will be the B into 100 plus C into 10 plus A? So, 100B plus 10C plus A. If we change once again, we will be getting the next one. So, let me write it, the ninth one. Let it be CAB. So, what happens here? 100C plus 10A plus B. If you write like this means, it is called as the general form of the given number. Write the general form of the numbers. 25. How to write this? 25 means 2 into 10 plus 5. What about 73? 7 into 10 plus 3. What about 125? 1 into 100 plus 2 into 10 plus 9. So, 129. What about this one? So, 3 into 100. In tens place, it is 0. So, no need of writing that one. Simply write plus 2. This completes this one. Write the following in their usual form. First one is 10 into 5 plus 6. That is 10 into 5 is nothing but 56. 56 is the answer. So what about the next one is, second one, 100 into 7 plus 10 into 1 plus 8. So what you will get here is 100 into 7 is 700, 10, 108, 718. So the third one is, the third problem is 100 into A plus 10 into C plus B. So what is here? What we want to 100, in 100 place A is there, in tens place C is there, and in the ones place it is B. A, C, B is the answer. This completes this main. 8th standard, playing with numbers. Here, games with numbers. Students, let us play a game with a number. First, choose a 2-digit number of your choice. Do it fast, quickly. Choose 2-digit number of your choice. First step is this one. Choose. You keep it in your mind. And in the second step, reverse the digits. If the number let be AB, is right, B in the ones place and A in the tens place. Reverse the digits. What happens now? It will be BA. Yes, right. Add this to the number you started with. You add these two numbers. Add the two numbers. Add the numbers. You add both the numbers. That is AB plus BA. You add both. That's right. Now, divide it by 11. Divide the answer, the number, what you got here. Divide the number with by 11. You divide it by 11. Yes, I hope that you have done this one. Yes, right? So, I am sure that you won't get any remainder. The remainder will be 0. Remainder is 0. 0, that is 0. Yes, I am sure. Yes, right? This is the example problem which is there in your textbook with the Meenakshi and Sundaram. Yes, right? Let us try it with an example here. If you have taken 23, is right? The next now, let me hope that you have taken 23 and you will be changing the digits here. That will be what happens. In the second step, it will become 32. You have to change the digits. So if you add both the numbers means 55. When you divide 55 by 11, you will get 5. 11 5s of 55. So the remainder is 0. What I have told. How it works. That is most important here. You can try with any of the numbers of your choice. Let me take 45 first. So next what happens? It will be 54. If you add means 99. And then if you divide with 11 means 11 nines are 99. Once again you will end up with the remainder 0. Yes, any of your choice. Yes, you will get the remainder as 0. How it works is most important here. We will deal it with now. As I took in my example AB be the digit number. Here A is in the tens place. So what happens here? 10A plus B. And as you reversed it, BA is equal to 10B plus A. That's right. If we add both these numbers, what I have asked here. So what happens here? It will be equal to 10A plus B plus 10B plus A. So what happens? 10A plus A is equal to 11A plus B plus 10B is 11B. So we can take the common 11 here in the both the A and B, A plus B. So here 11 is there, which is the multiple. A plus B is some number. So it will be the resulting number is the multiple, is definitely a multiple of 11, is multiple of 11. So you will never get a remainder other than 0. So if not, you can state it like that. You can get you will be getting 0 as the remainder. and you will not get any other number. This completes the proof of this theorem, of this problem. So the sum is multiple of 11, so the remainder will be 0. Game 2, playing with numbers. Let us move on to the next game. Think of a 2-digit number and keep it in your mind. Now, reverse the digits of the number, students. If the first number is AB, what you thought, let us take the second number as BA. Okay, now, as you have reversed the digits. In the third step, subtract the smaller number from the larger one. How to judge means, here students, if A, that is the digit in the tens place, if it is greater and B is smaller, means what happens? This number will be greater. Why means, as you shift B to the tens place, what happens? As this is small, as A is small, here you understand A greater than B. So what happens? This number will be bigger, whereas this number will be smaller. But if there is another one case, it is the first case, and in the second case, what happens means, if B is greater than A, what happens here? This number will be larger and this number will be smaller. In another third case also is there, where A is equal to B, when both will be equal. Whatever it is, we first, what here in this step, what we have to do means, we should subtract that one number that which is greater. We have to subtract the smaller from the greater number. Do all these things, students, and then now what you have to do means, you have to divide the result from by 9. Now divide the result or the answer, what you will get here, by 9. I am sure. Well, now I will say that the remainder will be 0. Remainder will be 0. Remainder will be 0. Is it not? Yes, I am sure it is. You can play with any number of your choice. At last, you can say, I am not speaking about the divisor or dividend. Yes, right? I am speaking about the remainder. When you divide the result with the 9, you will be getting 0 as the remainder. In this textbook also, there is given Meenakshi and Sundaram. Yeah, they will play this game. Yes, right? By that, it is for all the numbers, all the 2-digit numbers, this is applicable. Now let us understand this with a small example. Think of a 2-digit number means, you will be taking, let me think that you have taken 23. Reverse the digit means, you will take 32. Yes, right? We have changed the digits here. The 23 has changed to, as this has shifted to 10th place and 2 has shifted to 1's place. So 32 will be your answer. Subtract the smaller from the larger. Which number is smaller here? Here 23 is smaller than the 32. So 32 minus 23. So what is your answer is? The answer is 9. Divide the result. You should what is the answer means, here you will get 9. When you divide this with 9, 9 ones are 9. So what is the remainder? Remainder is 0. The remainder is 0. Now let us go on to the another problem. Here, let me take 45. 45. So when you shift the results, here what I have taken here, No, let me take 54. Yes, right? So, tens place number will be greater, 54. What happens here? 54, when we take and we will shift the digits, what happens in the second step? It will become 45. So, the 54 minus 45, how much we will get means is equal to 9. That's right. Here too we will get the 9. So what happens here when we divided it by 9? Once again we will 9 ones are 9. So what is the remainder? Remainder will be 0. In another one case is there, that is when both are equal. Let me solve it here. We will take 77. When it shifted 77. Okay now? So it no change. So when 77 minus 77 is 0. So 0 is no need. 0 when divided by 9 means, yes, right, 0. Whatever it is, the remainder is once again 0. So in all the cases, what happens? It will be equal to, the remainder will be equal to 0. Now let us try to explain this one. What is this trick involved in this problem? So let us take that the first number what she has taken is, what you have taken is AB. AB as A is in the 10th place, that is 10A plus B will be the number, first number. And after reversing this one, what happens? BA, that is BA means B, 10B plus A will be the another number. Here let us take the first case. First case will be A greater than B. A greater than B. So we have to subtract. Here what we have to do means AB minus BA will be the problem. Yes, right? As A is greater, we should have to subtract the smaller from the greater. So what happens here? Here 10A plus B minus, that's right, minus 10B plus A. So the result will be 10A plus B minus 10B minus A, which is equals to 10A minus A means it will be 9A minus 9B. So we can take the common here, 9, A minus B. That's right, A minus B. So it is a multiple. The result will be the result what you will get here is a multiple of 9. So you will be getting 0 as the remainder. You will be getting the 0 as the remainder. In the second case, what happens here? Let us take B greater than A. Here too, as B greater than A, BA minus AB will be here what you have to perform. So what happens? What is B? BA is 10B plus A will be your number greater, as B is greater. Yes, right? And then you have to subtract 10A plus B here too. So here 10B plus A minus 10A minus B is equal to 10B minus B is equal to 9B minus 9A. Here 9A which is equals to 9 into B minus K. Here too you will be getting the multiple of 9. So it, when you divide it with 9 cancels, and here B minus A will be your divisor. So what is the will be the quotient, and remainder will be once again 0. Even the third case, what happens here? Third case, A is equal to B will be there. So A is equal to B means 10, whatever it is, AB minus BA is equal to all are equal. So what happens? A is equal to B means A into A minus A into A, which is equals to A square minus A square. So it is equals to 0. We can write like this. If not, we likewise only we want to solve means here what happens? Here 10A plus B minus 10B plus A is equal to, as A is equal to B, what we can do means instead of writing B, B, we can write all A. 10A plus A minus 10A plus A. What happens here? 11A minus 11A is equal to 0. Likewise also, we can write as 0 we got here. The remainder will be 0. So, yeah, I think we have understood the trick here. As it is the multiple, the result will be the resulting number will be the multiple of 9. You will be getting the result remainder as 0. Game 3, playing with number. Let us now play a game here, students. First, you think of a 3-digit number and keep it right somewhere in your books, in your book. I think you have done it. And then you reverse the digits. Reverse the digits. When you subtract, let me write it here.